NowBios is a French CDMO for process development and GMP manufacturing on BSL2 and BSL3 viral products such as viral vaccines. Our goal is to support our partners to help their projects go fast to clinics. Having a biosafety level 3 infrastructure is a major strategic asset. Our company is distinguished by a rare capability. We design, develop and validate processes in a GMP qualified BSL3 environment that we control completely. Our expertise also extends to cell culture with adherent cells such as Vero, BHK or CHO, and suspension cells such as AB60, depending on the application. Our protocols are optimized to guarantee the viability and safety of manipulation in a BSL3 environment. This technical flexibility strengthens our ability to support complex projects while complying with scientific and regulatory requirements. This capability will be nothing without our highly and experienced skilled team. Our multidisciplinary and passionate team of engineers, technicians and biosafety specialists have a solid experience in the field and a deep understanding of the specific challenges of BSL3 environments. Our team is agile and responsive at every stage of our project, which allows us to offer tailor-made and innovative solutions for your BSL3 projects. Now come with me and let's take a look at our BSL3 area. Welcome in our BSL3 facility. Our in-house BSL3 laboratory reflects our deep commitment to safety, quality and technical performance. Our BSL3 facility is designed in compliance with good manufacturing practices and international biosafety guidelines, including the WHO Biosafety Manual and EU Directive 2054/EC with watertight partitioning, double flow air treatments, control pressure cascades, control access and strict procedures for managing flows, waste and biological agents. Our goal is to guarantee our customers complete traceability and irreproachable regulatory compliance. We have a broad expertise dedicated to the manufacture and support of BSL3 projects. For example, we have contributed to several projects involving SARS-CoV-2 right from the start of the pandemic and are currently working with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for the manufacturing of a human viral challenge agent. In collaboration with Sumagen, a South Korean and Canadian biotech company, we are developing the process for the manufacturing of a live attenuated HIV vaccine. Thanks to our mastery of BSL3 environments, we are able to handle all quality tests related to processes, raw materials or finished product. We also develop and validate analytical methods tailored to the requirements of each project. Our ability is to provide a complete range of services from starting material manufacturing, USP and DSP process development, and GMP manufacturing of drug substance and drug product, including GMP quality control testing. Our end-to-end solution, scientific expertise, track record, and state-of-the-art GMP facility makes us a reliable, agile, and responsive partner for the most sensitive virology and biosafety projects.